Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic. This bike is in fantastic condition with a lot of beautiful extras. Black in color, V-twin, 900 cc's, liquid cooled, fuel injection. So it's easy to start on those cold mornings. Belt drive, so no chain maintenance. It comes equipped with removable hardcase luggage, black in color. It's got a Mustang custom seat with a rider and passenger backrest. Luggage rack, engine guards, Kuryakyn grips. Fantastic condition, just 16,000 miles. Only $47.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We have financing available, extended service contracts. Just come by, make your middleweight cruiser dreams come true with this Vulcan 900. We're going to fire it up for you so you can see how she sounds. Make your motorcycling dreams come true here at Contra Costa Powersports.